Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Bluetooth earphone setting in Vivo phone. In this video guys, we will talk about how to pair Bluetooth earphone to our phone guys. You want to pair it, so you can pair, and let's see how to pair it in Vivo phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting, then guys click on Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth option, and guys on your Bluetooth, and guys on your earphone, or this button, sorry, and guys pair new device. So you want to pair this earphone, so guys click here pair option, and guys let's see how to pair. Refresh it, you can see guys available device. So guys this Ubon CL20 guys, so I click, and as you can see it's pairing, so it will pair in your Vivo phone. And guys you want to check your battery, so guys you can check 100% your earphone battery. So I think friends we have understood how to pair earphone to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.